friends, Running Kimono. So this is my Sunday basket, and it looks different than the usual Walgreens basket. It's a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And I did speak to a manager today trying to get to the bottom of all this stuff happening, and I have a little bit of information along with a register reward and what happened with that. I also went to the Dollar Tree and got some Rubbermaid tag-alongs for $1 each. Yeah, if you can do that deal, I would. And then some free cake mix with a tear pad coupon over at Walmart. So if you might have some of these coupons that they've been spotted at various grocery stores like Kroger, Family Fare, I will show you how I did that. Okay, so the first store that we're heading to is Walgreens. I know most of you are just here for this store. As you can see, this coupon is expiring on the 19th, or register reward. It is a coupon. So this girl had to use it or lose it. So I did head over there today, knowing there's a manager on shift, thinking, okay, well, this will go one of two ways. And I didn't really do any sort of deal other than just to buy paper. So my store has been out of this for a couple of weeks. It's finally back in stock. The $5 Scott, there's a $1.25 IVC and a $1 digital coupon. So for my very non-inspired basket, I grabbed 2 of them for $10 on the nose. And again, this is a product that I haven't seen in a while at my store. It just sells out really quickly, I think, because it's the most affordable toilet paper. So if you open up the Big Book of Savings or load it digitally, we have an IVC coupon, which is this, and it's a $1.25 either off of the toilet paper or the paper towel. It is your choice. Now, I also had 1 digital because no toilet paper here from last week, which is $1 off. So I utilized this for the little dealio. So if you wanted to emulate this deal, I'll just walk you through it. Grabbing 2 of these Scots for $10. Scan that IVC and $2.50 is coming off, along with I had 1 digital coupon. That $5 register reward that I presented to the cashier, and I'm not breaking a threshold or doing anything stupid here because my total is $7.50, so I should be able to use that. The cashier scanned it, and then that weird message showed up, and I'll show you that here in a second. Anyhow, it was $1.50 for this. And then I'm doing a progressive spend 50, get back 15 for fetch. I'm really close, and I'll show you that in a quick second. So this dreaded message of doom popped up again. It says rejected coupon summary, and then it just lists the IVC with the code number on it. And like, I got that at that store. Why is it not scanning? And the manager just said, we're just keying everything in at this location. He's like, there's just a problem the last week or so, so now we're just keying all these in. So I know your store might not do that for you, so just do your transaction, keep your register reward, call customer service, and they will credit you $5 of Walgreens cash. I had a chat with one of the reps yesterday, and that's what she said. Watch the video pinned at the end if you wish to see that chat, but there it is. And as I was saying, fetch rewards, I have this progressive spend 50, get back 15. I have till the end of the month for that, and I've just been picking away, whenever I've had a little chance, and I'm like $12.50 away from that. So I have been buying a lot of paper products over at Walgreens, and that's amounted really quickly. I love this app, and this is tremendous. So I do have more register rewards I think that are expiring on Friday. I might go buy some more paper products. This is a deal I really want to do. And I know that my store is still really, really stocked. And if the register reward isn't printing and, things are just not working out, I don't suspect a lot of people will be out there shopping because it's like a well-oiled machine. But people are also shopping at these pharmacies to get the perks, right? And if the perks aren't happening, what's the point? Buy 2, get a $4 register reward on your next purchase. So there it is. The men's body wash, the ladies' body wash, and then the brick bar soap are in fact included in this. So here's hoping that Walgreens was so generous that they gave their whole IT department the week of Easter off, and that's why this thing hasn't been rectified or corrected. I feel really bad for the customer service reps that have to deal with like many phone calls from couponers and shoppers. So definitely I will have a video tomorrow of the best curbside deals just to get some cheapy stuff, but nothing specifically with deals because this stuff, let's just put a pin in it until they figure it out, and hopefully Monday morning it gets figured out. Okay, so now we're over at the Dollar Tree, and this is kind of an interesting deal. A friend of mine and I were talking about it last night, and she's like, "Do you think this will work?" And I'm like, "I will give it a good college try on Sunday morning and see if it works." And thankfully, the Dollar Tree was open. But they have this product by Rubbermaid called Tagalong, and what it is, it's like a container for $1.25. Yeah, don't you love those prices? And it's like two sections if you're like, portioning out your food. Now, over with the Fetch Rewards app, check your discoveries page if you might have this. They're giving back $1, and you can do this up to 3 times per receipt. And it just says Rubbermaid food storage container. It doesn't say like one that must be $5.99 or something like that. Thus, the Dollar Tree, yes, that's in fact working with the Fetch Rewards app. So I grabbed 3 of them for $3.75. And then I made that $3 submission to the Fetch Rewards app, and I only got back 25 cents or 25 points. So something kind of went hairy with that. And just to show you, like, what do these containers look like? There it is. So just find this in that section of the Dollar Tree where they have like foil wraps, containers. It's always towards every Dollar Tree is a little bit different, but up here in rural Michigan, it's always on like the left-hand side, the very, very left-hand side. So they have the paper products and then all this. But in theory, this should have worked because I hate to be this person to say it's the photo that's on the Fetch Rewards app for these tag-alongs. But in theory, this is how it should work. You buy 3 for $3.75, $1.25 a pop. Make that submission on the receipt. You're going to get $3 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making it 75 cents for the 3 or 25 cents per tag-along container. Now, I only got 25 Fetch Rewards points. So I tried to just go back in, because if you go back to your receipt, you go to the bottom and it'll say make a correction. And you can either scan the barcode or type in Rubbermaid. And when I would do that for Rubbermaid, nothing was coming in their catalog. So I was like, oh, great. So I just went to the help page or the contact us, and I sent one of the reps a message saying, hey, I did this. Can you please help me out? The lady sent me a message back, and then I had to photograph the product and the barcode. And shortly thereafter, she gave me the 3,000 points. But just to let you guys know, I could not track down Rubbermaid in their catalog. So I don't know, maybe you'll have better luck than me. If you're going to do this deal, you might, hit a wall like I did. So just go to the contact us, and you might have to have a chat with a rep. But shortly thereafter, so like an hour later, she just credited me the $3, which was really great. And see that receipt scan bonus, that's initially what I got. So it's a little bit of a hiccup, a little bit of steps to walk through. But if you can make this happen, I think with Fetch Rewards, that rebate is expiring on the 19th. But for meal prepping, it's a really, to pay 25 cents for that. Yes. Okay, so the last store that we have is Walmart. And this is always a your mileage may vary with clearance stuff. But I found this Pillsbury pineapple cake. It is the 15 ounce for 50 cents. So that is super uber cheap. These cake mixes are usually $1, and the expiry date on this wasn't until like August of 2023. Maybe it's a flavor they're going to discontinue. I don't know. So here is the UPC for the cake mix box. Go to the site brickseek.com. Type in your zip code and all this pertinent information, the UPC, and see if your store might have it on clearance for this price. There was a whole bunch of different Pillsbury cake mixes, but I just wanted the ones that were 50 cents because I had $1 off 2 TerraPad coupon that I had found at a Family Fare grocery store where I live. But I know that Kroger also have these displays with this TerraPad coupon. And why is it called a TerraPad? It's stuck to a display and you just tear it off. But that's it. It's $1 off 2. So pretty easy math here. Buying 2 of those cakes, it's $1. Subtracting that $1 off 2 coupon, it's free. So you don't even pay tax in Michigan. So it makes your cake mix totally free. Look at that expiry date, June of 2 years from now. So I did find a couple of these. They had some around Christmas time and then Valentine's Day. Anytime they have that new display of different cake mixes, look for it on the display. Sometimes they have like a little big paper thing. It's like a little shelf made out of paper, and then they have all the different flavors and stuff. They're probably going to do one for the 4th of July. Just keep an eye out for this. But yes, it did in fact work. And I grabbed, they had a whole end cap of this. So either find it in the clearance section or on an end cap. I grabbed 10 because I knew 5 of those coupons would scan, no problems, no issues at self-checkout. Everything worked out for me. And I got 10, and it's a very good donation item. Of course, people are going to bug me. No, keto lady here, this is a donation item, so there's that. The last little item, if you are at a Walmart, you might want to look for these Olay. It's a new hand soap by Olay, so how fancy is that? And it is $4.97, and there's 3 different scents. If you go over to your Shopkick account, they're actually giving back 1,000 kicks for each hand soap. So 250 kicks is $1. So you're getting back $4 for purchasing this hand soap, and it's for all 3 scents. Quick mathematics for this is grabbing one of these Olay hand soaps for $4.97, make that 1,000-point submission to Shopkick, you're getting $4 back, making it 97 cents if you like all things fancy and you want to try something new. Definitely throw this on the back burner, and if you might have those TerrPad coupons, or you can track some down and you can find 50-cent Pillsbury cake mix, that is a super, super smart deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.